Hi everyone, I am Bindeswar from Post Network Academy, and in this video you will understand binomial distribution. But before understanding binomial distribution, let us understand what is a Bernoulli trial. A Bernoulli trial is a random experiment in which there are two possible outcomes, either failure or success. A random variable x is called binomial random variable if it represents the total number of successes in an independent Bernoulli trials. So if there are x successes in n trials, then the probability of each n tuple with x successes and n minus x failures, that would be p raise x 1 minus p raise n minus x. But see that there would be combinations NCX tuples with x successes and n minus x failures in n trials. Then probability mass function of x would be NCX p raise x 1 minus p raise n minus x. So a random variable x is said to follow binomial distribution with parameters p and n if its probability mass function is NCX p raise x 1 minus p raise n minus x, and this distribution is discrete distribution. So if you plot the graph of probability mass function, here the value of n is 20 and p is 0.30. So you will get this type of graph. It is a little bit skewed, and this topic we will discuss in skewness and kurtosis section. Now again, if the value of p is 0.5 and again the number of trials are 20, so you will get this type of graph. Again, more than 0.50 probability I have taken, and you will see this type of graph. So it is very important to plot probability density function or probability mass function if you are studying any distribution function. It will help you to make understand that density function or mass function in a better way. Now let us find moment generating function of x to find expectation and variance. So moment generating function of x is, which is empty, summation over x is equal to 0 e to e raised tx fx. Now if you differentiate that generating function and if you put the value of t is 0, so that would be the first moment, and first moment of a random variable is expectation, and in case of binomial distribution that is NP. So this is expectation, mean or first moment. Now if you differentiate moment generating function two times and put the value of t 0, so you will get second moment of random variable x. That means expected value of x square. But this is not variance. Variance is defined as expected value of random variable x square minus square of expected value, and that would be np1 minus p. So expectation is np and variance is np 1 minus p. Now let us see skewness of random variable. So skewness of random variable is 1 minus 2p and upon under root n pq. So if you see that if the value of p is half, so the skewness would be 0. And the same thing you will see in the graph. And if the value of p is less than 0.5, so the distribution would be skewed. You can see that the graph is plotted for the value of n20 and p 0.50. So there is a zero skewness. And when the value of p is being increased, so there is skewness. Again, kurtosis refers thickness or flatness of a distribution. It will indicate thickness or flatness. So, in this video you have learnt about binomial distribution. Hope you have understood. Thanks for watching the video.